Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about some products from a relatively new company called ForMySelf. Now they did send me these products for review, nothing else, and this is my honest opinion. They're not paying me for this opinion. I'm not giving a nice opinion just because. This honest thoughts. Now I did originally record a video with me unboxing the products they sent me, but the audio sucked and I'm not going to show you something that I just think is awful. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. I did keep the boxes so I can show you the boxes, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing they sent me was this eyelash and brow growth serum and castor oil for growth, and this is what the box looked like that it came in. You see that? You know, it's nice packaging, and see the company name on it here. I will have a link below, and they did send me a code, and I will have all of that down below for you, so you have to check them out. Well, you don't have to, but I do recommend checking them out. So that was the package, but the product itself looked like this. And I actually really do like this. I used these products for a total of 7 days just to kind of see how they did on me and stuff. And I do like using serums on my eyelashes and on my brows, especially when you use products in it, because it helps it heal and recover and grow. And y'all know I have no eyebrows because I got pluck happy. And my eyelashes I take care of because last thing I want is no eyelashes and no brows. That's just, yeah, that's not a good look. So this end is the serum, the growth serum right here. And then you pull it out, and that is what the, oh, you can see it. There we go. The brush looks like. It's a very small tip there. But I would apply that over the brows and the lashes. And then this is the castor oil. Now, if you're into natural remedies and self-care like that, you'll know that castor oil is really good for hair growth and thickening, and, you know, definitely something you want to use in your hair if you want it to be nice and healthy and grow. So I was actually happy about that, but this is the castor oil part. And this one has a very traditional wand on it. So you just go over the brows and the lashes with that. And I did find that pretty effective. You know, again, I knew castor oil in its own right is good and was going to help. And I do feel like that serum was good as well. So this product itself, I do recommend. Now we move on to the vitamin C. It's a hyaluronic acid anti-aging, repair dark spots, smooth fine wrinkles, eliminate sunspots, revitalize youth complexion. And that was the box. Oh, you can't see it. There you go. Kind of see it. Anyways, I tore that up. As you can see, really, I was really excited about this product. And I am going to just toss that out. And this is the bottle it came in, and it has this nice little dropper, and you only need like a few drops, and I probably got carried away, but you actually, using this, it actually says you don't actually need a toner if you're going to use this. But I tried it both ways, liked it both ways, and I really think this is an excellent serum. I think the price is a good price point for it too. So this is another really good product. I do recommend using this, of course. Then the last things they sent me was this teeth whitening pen, and this is the box it came in. And on the back, of course, it has the instructions. And I probably didn't even do it right, but that's okay. But it comes with two pins like this. And the big end, you got the brush right there. You can see the product because of the way I was having it stored. And this right here pushes it up. There you go. There you go. Kind of. There you go. There's the tip. Anyways, so that's the brush thing. You just paint that on your teeth. And I did take a before picture and after picture for 7 days, and I will go ahead and insert that so you can see. I also, the box came with this bamboo brush, and I am a big fan of bamboo brushes because they are biodegradable. So really happy about that addition. But that was like a bonus, I guess. Yeah, because it says bonus toothbrush right here. Oh, you can't see that. Anyways, it says bonus toothbrush. So you get 2 pins and a toothbrush in that box. And I do feel like it whitens some. I'm sure that my teeth are already white, so it's only going to whiten so much. And, you know, I felt like it did whiten my teeth. And it says your Hollywood smile in 7 days. That's essentially why I decided to just try these out for 7 days before giving you my thoughts. But I do feel like they were effective, and if you have more dingy teeth, I'm sure you're going to notice a difference. But if this helps you kind of have perspective about my teeth, I do drink coffee every day and occasionally drink red wine. So my teeth are really white for someone who has a coffee addiction. And I do feel like this does help preserve white teeth. With that said, I do think these are wonderful products. I do think these are things that you should definitely look into and consider. And yes, so super awesome products. Highly recommend. If you had a favorite product that I showed, please let me know your thoughts on it below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.